What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? This is one of my favorite roads around here, depending on the day. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's your day been? Tell me in the comments down below while you're down there. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and on with the video! The video. So, I'm making a video about how I should make videos. Ooh, Inception. We're going full Inception mode right now. It is, like, at the moment, whenever I have something to post, I post it. It's not like I am planning, like, okay, it's Tuesday, I post on Thursdays, so I have to wait. But that is my question. And this is going to be the thing that you really should post in the comments below. Would you want a schedule? Should I have a schedule, however you want to say it? Like, I know a lot of people would do, like, oh, they post on Fridays, or they post on Mondays, or, you know, only on the weekends, because, you know, they can figure out, like, I've got all week to make this video, edit, upload, bam, it's done. I am just curious, do you like the way that I do it now, where it's like, if I have a video, I just upload it whenever I can and it's done? And obviously that's sporadic, and sometimes, you know, not all obviously sporadic. I'm not gonna define sporadic again, but it's hit or miss. Sometimes I've got, you know, 1 or 2 videos a week. Sometimes I don't have videos for 2 weeks. Sometimes I don't have a video for a week, you know, whatever it is. Sometimes they come out on Mondays, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, you know. I don't have a, obviously there's no schedule. That is what we're talking about right now. Did you listen to my 4th year roll-off pops? So I'm asking you, would a schedule be good? Like, would you want me to post, you know, on the same day, at the same time, every single week? Or, like, you know, would you want, like, Mondays and Fridays, or just Fridays, or, you know, do you have a day, like, would you want the weekends, because that way you're around and you can watch whatever you want? Or do you want, you know, weekdays, so it's like, hey, I'm out of work, I can go home and watch. Ooh, that was a bump. Oh, shit. You know, where you can expect, like, that, oh, it's Friday, I get to go home and watch, you know, someone watch me. So I'm curious on, like, what your idea is, if that would be something you'd like. Is that something you'd want? You know, would you want a schedule, or do you just, you know, do you like it the way I do it now, where it's just whenever I have something to post, you get it, and it's not like, oh, I have something to post, but it's like Wednesday, well, I've got to wait 3 days to put it up. Like, the thing that sucks for me is uploading a video. They range around, like, you know, I try to range around the 8-10 minute mark. You know, obviously not all of them are 10 minutes, which probably, it really does screw the algorithm, because it's not the prime time length for a video. But I try to post what I can. You know, if I film for X amount of time and then I have to cut out X amount because it's boring, or I'm not talking, or I'm sitting at a red light, whatever it is what it is. But at the moment, they range around, like, 3 to 4 gigs per video, something like that. So my internet blows horribly. Like, to upload a video at the moment, it's basically just like, oh, well, I'm going to bed. You know, go on YouTube, upload video, leave overnight, hope it doesn't, like, cancel it or fall asleep or have an update, you know, whatever, you know, all the stupid things that can happen, which it does a lot. You get wake up in the morning and it's like, oh, it stopped at 15%. Why? You know, it's been running for 6 hours. Why is it, you know, it's not that bad. Like, I know it should upload more than 15% in a night, but clutch is upshifting. So very nice. Tell me what you think. You know, comments down below. Tell me what day you'd like. If you'd like 1 or 2 videos a week, whatever. I will try and accommodate your interests, your wishes. Obviously, don't say it's a video a day. It's not going to happen. I don't film that much. I don't ride that much. I don't have the time to edit that many videos or upload. It's not something I can do at the moment. This isn't my job. I don't make anything from it. If this was my daily job, sure, I would do that, but the fact that I still work full-time and have other things going on, like, I can't do a video a day, so that's just not an option. So I'm thinking 1, maybe 2 videos a week if you have a preference. You know, pick 1 or 2, type 1 or 2 down in the comments down below, pick a day, and you know, if the day has already been said, you know, if you want Fridays and somebody'd already typed Friday, just give that video a thumbs up and give that comment a thumbs up. I fucking love that. Hard accelerating onto the highway is just the best thing. From 0 to whatever I was just doing, but like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th gear, ooh, it's just the best. You know, being able to and needing to hard accelerate is just one of the most I don't know, one of the best things about riding a bike. As are downshift noises. But yeah, comment down below, tell me 1 or 2 and what day you want, and obviously again, if somebody has, you know, said the day, just, you know, reply to that or like the comment, and I shall see you all later.